Hello guys, welcome back to the GFS Tech. Today I will demonstrate you data type about the data type in a SQL Server. So how many type of the data type we are using in the SQL Server. So I will explain you one by one. So let's begin. We will go to the SQL Server. Now we will move to the SQL Server. So I have already written the all those things, so I will let you know the in the SQL Server data type. What is the data type? Data type. Why we use this data type? So data type is what? Data type is a attribute which is specify that the what kind of the data inserting into the column by the user. So SQL Server support the following type of the data type. Those are integer data type, decimal data type, money data type, date and time data type, character data type, binary data type, and another special data type. So we will discuss the one by one. We will discuss all these data types. So what is the integer data type? Integer data type means these data type are accepted the integer format data only. It can apply on employee ID, product code, number, student ID, column like this. So these Microsoft had decide the means that this integer data type again classified into the four type means number one, if you see that the tiny int, so tiny int the range is decided from 0 to 252. Okay, 255. So it take the 1 byte of the memory to store the data. Okay, and the same thing is the small int, so the range is decided by Microsoft, so this is, and it will take the 2 byte of the memory. Same integer data int, so the range of this int data is, and it will take the 4 byte of the memory. Then big int, in the range is decided from the range is from here to here, and it will take the 8 byte of the memory. And if you come to the decimal, the second data type is the decimal data type. So decimal data type is what? These data types are used for storing the decimal format value. It will apply on the price and student fees and customer balance column. So decimal data type again classified into the two type, means numeric data type and decimal data type. So numeric is the old data type and the decimal is the new data type. So there are the, in the numeric we can define the precisions and scale. So precision, here are the, if you see that the precisions, so what is the precisions and what is the scale? So if you see that the decimal means precisions, numeric is the old data type and decimal is the new data type. Here are the precisions and scale. So P for precisions and S for scale. So what is the meaning of the precisions? Means it count all the value, means what it will do, it will precisions, what it will do, it count the all the value that is including left and right side of the decimal points. Like means this example, if you see that, so there is 1.1 means the precisions is 2 means 1.1, left side of the value and right side of the value, it will count the both the value. So that is precisions, and scale is only count the right side of the value. For example, second example, if you see that the 345.45, the precisions is 5, it count left and right side of the value of the decimal point. So and the scale is count the right side of the value. So this is the scale. And as like we have the money and currency data type, so this data type is used for to store the decimal point value without precisions and scales. So there are the small money and the money data type. These are two type of the data type. The small money is taking the 4 byte of memory, and the money is taking the 8 byte of memory to store the one character. Okay. Then if you go to the date and time format, so date and time, date and time data type. So SQL Server support means that this date and time format data type also. So to store the date and time format data into the table. So these data type are classified into the three type. Date is, if you see that the date data type, date, it accept the data from expression, and the default format of the data type is YYMMDD, or we can means YYMMDD or YYMMDD. backslash also we can do. So this is the date format of the date data type. So as like a time format we have inside there, it will accept the time format expression only, and the default format of the time data type is hour, minute, second, and the same thing we have date and time. So inside the date and time we will accept the date YYMMDD and hour, minute, second, millisecond. That we will accept the time, complete time we will accept here. And after that I will so after that we can go to the character data type. So character data type, what it will do, it will character data type, what it will do, it will store the single string value only, and it will represent with the single quote. So character data type again classified into the two category, non-unicode and unicode. So non-unicode means localized data like a character. And this is the fixed length data type. We can, if we will decide the length, then we that that length is fixed type. So if we decide the char 5, so we that memory is locked for the 5 byte. Okay, and this is the varchar. So this is the variable length data type. So it is the dynamic data type, means there is, it will allocate the memory at the runtime. And if you come to the text data type, so this it will store the text format data. So the text file size up to 2 GB. And as like if you come to the non-unicode data type, so it support the globalized data, means we can insert the like any language, means as like nchar, we can insert into the character into the any language, and we can insert the varchar any string in any language. So this is the and text also. So it will store the file format. As like a binary data types, we have these binary data type also for storing the file, audio, video. So these are three type: binary, size data type, bare binary, dynamic, and then image. It will store all the image. So these all data type are used in the SQL Server. If you understand this basic now, after that you are able to catch all the topic very easily. So because of that I am expending the much time here, so to clear the basics. So these are the very important things. If you want to learn the complete data type, so you can visit the Microsoft site also. So there you can find all the data types, because I have not covered all the data type. If you want to cover, if you want to learn all data type, you can go there, you can learn from Microsoft site also. So there are the means old version data type also there, and then new version data type is also there. There are the some XML data type, and the cursor data type, table data type is also there inside the Microsoft site. So I think so I have covered the basic things here, so that will help you to start into the SQL Server. So that's it. So thank you guys. Mm, Happy learning.